Alright, so a lot of you guys have been asking me to do a tutorial for how I play Sweet Heat Lightning by Gregory Isakov. I hope that's how you say his name, I don't know. I'm gonna try my darndest because I've never done a tutorial before. It's probably gonna be a little bit rough, so bear with me. I don't know like the name of the notes at all. I don't know how to read music. I can read like tabs and I know like basic chord structures and the names of them, but I really just play by ear most of the time. Like I just listen to the song and then I just figured out like the little riff that it has in there. So yeah, I'm going to try my best to explain this. I have my capo on the 7th fret. I start off with a variation of the F chord. So I'm not playing like the full chord. I'm just, it's kind of like a C shape. Like you're not holding anything on the last string. So it's kind of just like a C but moved up like this. So you have the first string open. So we'll start out. I start out with picking. So I start out picking the fourth string, 3rd string, and then I do like a little ding-a-ling with the top 2 strings. Oh God. Okay. So that's how it starts. And then I pick 3, 2, 3 off with the middle finger. Do that again. 3, 2, 3 off. We're strumming 3 again. 3, 2, 3 off 3. And then we're going to go to the C chord. This is a normal C chord, but you're going to keep that ring finger off and you're going to hammer it onto the 2nd fret on the 4th string, like you're holding a regular C, but while you're transitioning to the C from the F chord, you're just going to move your ring finger first, and then when you strum the C chord, you're going to hammer on to, that wasn't very good, but you're going to hammer onto the 2nd fret on the 4th string. So I'll show that again, going from the F to the C. 3, 2, 3 off 3. Transition to the C. Hammer on 2nd fret, 4th string. And I just do like a little bit of strumming in between. And then I'm gonna pick again. Oh, sorry. This one's a little bit tricky. So you're gonna, after you hammer on, you're gonna immediately take it off again to pick 4, hammer on again. Not hammer, just put it back on. 4, 4, 3, 4. Alright, so we'll do that again from the F. Hammer on, take it off, 4, 4, 3, 4 on the C chord. And then we're going to go to the A minor and just strum. You're going to strum once every time you switch chords. And then do a little ding-a-ling. And then we're going to go, so we're on the A minor. Then we're going to take our middle finger off again. Middle finger's doing a lot of work. We're going to pick 4, put the middle finger back on again, 2nd fret. Oh, so this one's a little bit tricky too. So we're going to go middle finger off, 4, 4, take the ring finger off now on the 3rd string. I'm going to play that open. And then 4, 4th string. I'll do that again. Take the middle finger off, 4th string, 4th string, back on. take the ring finger off, 3rd string, 4th string. And then you're going to go to a G variation. I don't know what these chords are called, I'm sorry. It's not a regular G, like you have the 1st string open, but you're gonna hold the same structure on the bottom strings, but you're gonna have your pointer finger on the 1st fret on the 2nd string. So transitioning from the, excuse my laundry in the background. Transitioning from the A minor, I'll show you again. Oh, sorry. Off, on, off, 4. So we're gonna strum this, the G, the variation G. And we're gonna pick the 4th string again. And then we're gonna put our pointer finger on the 4th string to do the little climb up. So you're still holding the G. We're gonna stay on the 4th fret. We're gonna go with the pointer finger, and then you're gonna use your pinky to go up 1 on the same string. Take the pinky off, and then take the pointer finger off. All right. So let's try that again from the A minor. Middle finger off, 4th string. Back on again, 4th string. 3rd string off, 4th string. Keep your pointer finger where it's at. Just go to a G with these 2 fingers. 4th string, bum, bum. 2nd fret, 4th string with the pointer finger, bum. 3rd fret, 4th string with the pinky. Then go back down. Alright, so let's try it all together. 3, 2, 3, off with the middle finger. Transition to the C. Hammer on to the 4th string. Take it off. 3, 4. Then strum the A minor. Take the ring finger or the middle finger off. 4th string. Take the ring finger off. Play the 3rd string open. Go back down to the 4th string. And then go back to the G. 4th string, 4th, 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 4th. Okay, we'll do it a little bit fast to show you how it goes all together and like the little strumming in between. I'm sorry. It's hard to do it in slow motion. So I do that picking pattern for just the verses, and then the chorus I just strum the same chords. That's not true. at the end, I always do the little climb up. So in the chorus, I'm going, sweet heat, lightning falls. I'm doing that little climb up at the end of each line in the chorus. Blue crack of light in that soul, calling you to sing. Then I go back to the picking. I keep messing it up. Calling you to sing. I hope that helps. I'm so sorry if that was like incomprehensible. But like I said, I've never done a tutorial before, but a lot of you guys asked, and it's taken me a minute to do this, so I hope that helped. Let me know if you have any questions. You can shoot me a message in the comments and let me know if it was like super confusing or not. So hope that helped. Thanks for all the love, you guys. Like, it's truly so beautiful. I love having this channel and just connecting with you guys and just vibing. Like, it's just been a beautiful journey. I've had this channel for so long now, and so many of you guys have just really touched my heart and just made me really happy, and I'm just really blessed to be able to share this with you guys. It's just what I love. And yeah, thank you guys. Love ya.